Imagine holding a drone that is so small, so lightweight, and so incredibly intelligent that it doesn't even need a controller to capture cinema-quality footage of your life. For years, the drone industry has forced us to make a frustrating choice. You either had to buy a massive, expensive commercial drone that required a special license, a heavy backpack, and hours of training, or you had to settle for a cheap toy that crashed into a wall on its first flight. But with the brand new DJI Neo 3, the rules of aviation have been completely rewritten. This isn't just a minor upgrade or a simple cosmetic refresh. DJI has quietly engineered a device that shifts the entire landscape of personal cinematography, and there is a massive, hidden feature built into this machine that almost nobody is talking about. In this video, you will understand exactly why the DJI Neo 3 is secretly the most disruptive piece of camera tech released in a decade, and why it is about to make traditional vlogging cameras completely obsolete. Let's look at the harsh reality of modern content creation. Everyone is chasing the perfect shot. Creators are carrying heavy motorized gimbals, expensive mirrorless setups, and tangles of microphone wires just to capture a simple walking video or an outdoor adventure. The tech industry tried to convince us that high production value requires maximum friction, but they forgot that the best camera is the one that is always ready, completely effortless, and entirely out of your way. That is exactly where the DJI Neo 3 steps in. It stands completely alone in a market saturated with overly complicated gear, stripping away every single barrier between your vision and the final file. For the longest time, choosing a palm-sized drone meant accepting a massive penalty in video quality and flight stability. You got the smaller form factor, sure, but you also got shaky, low-resolution footage that looked like it was shot on a flip phone from 20 years ago. The wind would catch it, and it would disappear over the horizon. DJI changed the game this time. They didn't just shrink down a larger drone. Instead, they took the raw tracking capabilities, the advanced stabilization algorithms, and the high-end image processing of their massive commercial platforms and condensed it into a chassis that literally fits in the palm of your hand and weighs less than a standard smartphone. When you first place it in your hand, the engineering hits you immediately. It feels incredibly solid, structurally robust, yet astonishingly light. The fully enclosed propeller guards wrap around the blades, making it entirely safe to launch and land directly from your open palm without a single worry. DJI shaved every single milligram of unnecessary weight from the frame, optimizing the aerodynamics so perfectly that it looks like a futuristic piece of stealth technology. It requires zero setup, zero calibration, and absolutely zero assembly. You pull it out of your pocket, press a single button, and it is in the air in less than 3 seconds. But the real magic begins the moment it leaves your hand. The tracking system on the DJI Neo 3 is an absolute masterpiece of artificial intelligence. In previous generations of compact drones, tracking was highly unreliable. The drone would lose sight of you if you turned your back, walked behind a tree, or picked up your pace. DJI didn't just fix this issue. They completely eradicated it by implementing a next-generation neural tracking engine and an array of advanced optical sensors. The drone locks onto you with absolute precision, matching your exact speed, predicting your movements, and maintaining perfect framing, whether you are sprinting down a mountain trail